Brandon Lewis here of Embedded Computing Design, and this is Embedded World 2017 Day 2. I'm here at the SEGGER booth in Hall 4, booth 238, and I'm here with Dirk Akemann, who is a technical marketing manager, and Christoph Schultz, who is a key account manager, right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Well, now that we got that out of the way, we're talking about a lot of things that have to do with just development from a test and measurement side. Obviously, we're here at SEGGER, but B, also security. So what can you guys tell me that are going on in those two fields here at Embedded World and in general in the embedded industry?
Well, I'm just jumping right into the middle of the security part because we launched Flash Secure this year. And this actually is a product where people can make sure that they control their IP even if they go off-site for production. The idea basically is that we gives the customer complete control over what's happening at the contract manufacturer side, and at the same time give him the opportunity to implement security mechanics for the lifetime of the product, so that his firmware can check whether it's running on genuine hardware, that that the bootloader can verify against whether the firmware is correct, and so on. So it gets multiple levels of security there. And we provide the tools for that, and for the production we offer the Flash Secure system, which is not just one little box but a huge chunk of software with a lot of, basically from the process, simple, a very simple approach but a very proven approach. So it's a authentication algorithm we use there. We use standard encryption, and all the algorithms are tested for years and still known to be safe.
So if somebody was interested in getting their hands on that, they would just go to the SEGGER website and download it, the software, or do they need a big box?
They will need a small red box, which you can see in the background there.
It's not a big box at all.
No, not at all. But that's just the thing that sits at the contract manufacturer side. So what you can see here, we have set it up for demonstration purposes. We have basically two targets, each target connected to one of the Flash Secures. And these devices talk to a server, and that's basically what's under control of the IP owner. The server sits at his desk or in an environment he can control. Right. So he does not give away the control over what's going on. And this device communicates with the server over a secure connection. It reads out unique features of this part, so it's identifiable versus this one. So they differ in one piece. For example, the microcontroller's unique ID. Send this unique feature to the server. The server validates whether this device is allowed to program this device, and if it is, it will create a signature over the unique ID and send it back to the flasher, and then the flasher will program the signature into the target, and then basically the device is validated and can run.
That's great. Thanks Dirk. So Christoph, why are you here? What are we going to talk about today?
Yeah, I will show you a demonstration about how it works, and like Dirk already said, we demonstrated these parts are at the contract manufacturer, and we are reading, are signing and verifying the unique ID with the signature together and flash our chip, and then we read it out again and try to flash it on a different unique ID, which is not verified, and then you will see like a red X.
To make it short, I would suggest that you start to be the bad guy,
okay,
and show what happens if you copy the firmware from
I will just clone the firmware and put it on this device.
Okay, so basically, you would protect the firmware more than we did for this demo, because it's for demonstration purposes. You don't put up all the security measures to protect from copying, right?
Because it's easier.
So we can show what happened when the cloner succeeds and copies. Yeah, so demonstration is fairly easy.
Now it's reading out, so you see it's flashing and verifying, connecting to the server. Now sorry, exactly. Yeah, I'm flashing the device.
So this is first.
Now it's verified with the green logo. You see The signature is verified. The serial number is N002. So this is a fine flash program. Everything is fine. And now I read it out and program it to the other device.
So actually, he started being the good guy first.
Okay.
And now he's a bad guy. And we're in business.
Oh, F7, and we're in business? Okay.
Just exchanged the project files. So took these project files, sent it over to this flasher, and now he's programming, and now he's connecting to the server and is checking with the keys if it's verified. And now we'll see what happens and what he tells us. He's flashing right now. It's going pretty fast. And we can see the signature, verify failed. You see the red cross, and you see that the serial number is the same 002 because this had been cloned from the other device. So you can see this is not the this is pretty much a clone.
So you know what's really important about this for all those who didn't get the message is security in a lot of cases is more about IP protection, right? And that's what SEGGER's demonstrating here at their booth at Embedded World Hall 4 238. Check them out if you have a chance. Have a good day and keep watching.